Carl for Mid-Century Style Shop at midcentury.style. I'm in my bedroom again. Well, no, I'm not going to talk about my big remodeling project that I've been promising for months. Nope. Although you've seen the beautiful lamps now, those are done. Well, the main feature of my plan was to have a big IKEA wardrobe here with mirrors. That thing is stuck in the supply chain. It's been for months. So while I'm waiting for that, or maybe rethink my plan, I'm not sure yet. I just got fed up with this big white wall. It needs some love. So look what I found in the shed. A big old mirror from a department store. I cleaned it up. We're gonna put it here and make it nice because we're not keeping the brown, that's for sure. I'm gonna try to mid-centurise it a little bit. Needs some fixing here. And actually I found a new technique that I've never tried before. Maybe you have. But keep watching. This is going to be the little project of the day, very easy. And we'll see what happens. Let's go. So we're here with the mirror and everything we need. A few things before I start. I always use old towels to cover my working area. It acts as a little padding. It's really useful. Then on top, I put a cutting mat. I bought a big one at Michael's, so it's quite expensive, but it's the best investment you can make because it covers the whole table and you don't need to worry about a thing. It's great. This is what I found at Target. Gift wrap paper. Can you believe? It's very cheap. We love that. It's gold foil paper with a nice mid-century modern pattern. So that looks amazing. We're gonna use this to cover the frame of the mirror with this new product that I found that I didn't know about. You crafters, many of you must know about this, but maybe when I was a kid, I don't remember. So it's the gloss Mod Podge, the name, mod, mid-mod, it's crazy. So we'll see how this works. I'm gonna make a few tests backstage. And one thing I realized when looking at my frame is that the silver border, it's not silver all around. The outer edge is brown like the frame. I don't want to have to deal with that with this paper. So I'm going to use silver foil tape. That's one of my favorite things. I do Halloween costumes with this and duct tape. So it's usually used for dockings. I'm gonna cut it this way and cover the whole rim, and it's gonna cover the damages as well, so that's great. So that's the plan. We'll see how it works out. So I'm gonna do the shorter side first in case it doesn't work. I think I'm going to cut the corners in advance. And that's why this pad becomes very useful because it has all the lines and I don't have to measure it. They say to put a coat on the paper too, so I always keep a ton of cardboard. Instead of recycling them, I'm gonna use that here. Wrap it up in sun wrap, hopefully it won't dry. This first one didn't work because it wasn't long enough and I wanted to still go a little bit high on the edge. I didn't have enough to go on the side, so I'm gonna have to cut it larger than that and clean up my mess. I don't have to worry about the seams. It seems that it doesn't really, it doesn't show that much. So this is the last piece. It's absolutely not perfect. I think I like it better. It looks like it's gonna be looking older and I kinda like it. We'll see. putting a last coat all over, like recommended. I guess it's going to look like a finishing coat or sealant or something. Here you have the result. That's how it looks. It's not perfect. I like the fact that it looks a bit old. This is how it looks for now. So as you could see, I've only done one finishing coat with the same product. I don't think I'm gonna do more. I like it the way it is. It doesn't look too shiny or too clean. You can see the streaks of products. I like it. And I'm going to go for an older vintage look that I like. And I'm going to finish these, the little silver stripes with the foil that I showed you before. All you have to do is cut pieces on the length. It's just a coincidence that halfway through, it's the perfect measurement. It just happened. I'm gonna put this down all around that rim. So as you can see, I folded it into my hands to make it look, you know, crumbled. So it will give it a bit of an older look. Now that I'm done for the front, I'm going to secure the back with some moving tape, just to make sure. It seems that it all glued very well after 2 days. But I'm still going to put some tape on and fix a few brackets here, and then we'll gather in the bedroom for installation. So here we are in the bedroom for installation. I just wanted to show you a stupid little trick. When you measure on the wall, it's complicated to hold the tape, the pen. Just what you need to do is measure everything. Aim for the middle, of course, of where you want it to be. Then you can spread out the measurements. But to do that, just take your level, measure your level like this, and then mark your level. So you can report these measurements on the wall at level like this, and you put a mark here and a mark there, and there you are. Hey, we're done. I'm so happy. It looks amazing. It fills the wall really well, and I like that it's not perfect. You know, the finish is kind of quirky. I love it. And I'm a bit all dirty now. All you need to do now is maybe accessorize a little bit. So why not a little lamp with gold on it? So it goes well with that. Maybe a little plant here and something to empty my pockets. And actually, this is an old planter, so keep them around. You never know. Yeah, cute mid-century boxes right here. Bring the desert inside. There you go. It's cute, it's fun. And that's going to be my bedroom for a little while I'm waiting for the big remodeling. So that's it for now. I'll give you a little tour of how it looks while I tell you about the blog post that's coming, that's going to have all the details, pictures, and products. Look it up. Don't forget to surf mid-centurise.style for exclusive designs. And until next time, ciao.